All right, steady as she goes. Mind the gap on the left there. Perfect. Lock it down and we'll get the next pallet. We're routing the cowbone gelatin to lanes 4 and 5. Confirm the digital board updates and stage the pallets.
Our timeline details the entire gelatin process. Starting from the initial sourcing, we track every step right through the purification stage that you see here.
So here you can see the collagen release phase. We use a precise heating method to ensure maximum yield from the cow bones, which is crucial for our product's efficacy.
So the process begins with the raw cow bones, which are then carefully dried on these industrial racks. Once fully,
we start with meticulous sourcing and purification here. And as we move through extraction and testing, as you can see here, our process for the bovine gelatin is fully compliant with all international standards. We source only from certified suppliers.
By focusing on the gelatin production cycle, we've identified key areas for improvement. This efficiency bar highlights the success of the new methodology.
By optimizing the process here, we've achieved unprecedented of cost efficiency in our bovine gelatin production. So the process begins here with the crushing and demineralization of the bovine bone, moving through extraction, purification.
As you can see on the chart, we categorize cowbone gelatin into 3 main grades: pharmaceutical, food, and technical.
As these certifications show, the safety of our cowbone gelatin is guaranteed. We follow the strictest guidelines to ensure peace of mind. As you can see by these certifications, our cowbone gelatin is sourced and processed with the utmost safety and care.
This chart highlights the critical difference. We're looking at significantly higher purity levels in our cowbone gelatin compared to the industry average.
Our data clearly illustrates the complex logistics of cowbone gelatin. The major routes connect the Middle East and South. As you can see, the global demand for cowbone gelatin is heavily concentrated in these key regions, particularly across Southeast Asia and Europe.
We focused on elevating the aesthetic. This matte finish with the gold foil really communicates the premium quality of our new bovine gelatin.
Here we see the storage guidelines. Our studies confirm stability well past the 24-month timeline, ensuring long-lasting quality.
This is rich in collagen and packed with essential amino acids. It really is incredible for supporting joint health, as you can see.
Cowbone gelatin is a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with protein, vital collagen, and these essential amino acids.
While traditional methods rely on these bovine sources, our synthetic alternative offers a cleaner, more consistent product every time.
Made sense. This circular infographic provides a complete overview of the gelatin life cycle, beginning with the sourcing and moving.
As this infographic demonstrates, our end-to-end process ensures the highest quality cowbone gelatin every time. We look forward to working with you. These premium jars contain the finest grade of refined bovine gelatin, meticulously prepared for unparalleled clarity and bloom strength. We take great care in the refinement process. This fine dusting ensures a perfectly smooth texture every single time.
We are proud to present our full range of cowbone gelatin, available in these convenient jars, bags, and larger industrial tubs.
We take pride in our rigorous inspection process. This stamp confirms that the cowbone gelatin inside is of the absolute highest quality.
So you want to pour this very slowly to avoid air bubbles. See how clear that is? We'll let this set for a few hours. As you can see, the gelatin is perfectly clear. We just fill the mold right up to the top.
This brochure highlights the wide range of uses for our gelatin. We're talking about everything from confectionery and food stabilization.
We are proud to list the exact sourcing right here. This is pure, high-quality bovine gelatin. As you can see right here on the label, our gelatin is sourced exclusively from high-quality cow bone. It's perfect for your dietary needs.
We emphasize transparency. That's why this batch number, BN12345X, ensures complete traceability back to the source. We believe in total transparency. That's why every package clearly shows the batch number right here, ensuring full traceability.
We take great care to ensure the quality of the gelatin. Notice the texture as we gently scoop the powder. Now watch closely as I stretch this sheet. The structure holds perfectly, demonstrating the incredible elasticity of this particular gelatin. As you can see, the seal is completely secure. We ensure every jar meets our stringent quality standards.
We've sourced the finest cowbone gelatin. And if we look closer at the data point here, you'll see the significant impact on joint health.
Cowbone gelatin is incredibly versatile in home cooking. It's perfect for thickening sauces, or you can even make your own gummies.
As you can see, we've included this QR code directly on the gelatin label. Just scan it for full traceability, ensuring total transparency from our farm to you. When comparing our two options, you get the same premium cowbone gelatin. Choose the cost-effective powder or the ultra-convenient capsules.
Thank you for joining us and learning about our cowbone gelatin. We appreciate your time, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.